I'm Rebecca Wheeler-Walston, the Program Director for the Hampton Chapter of Jack and Jill of America, Inc., and we are proud to present our fourth annual Living Black Wax Museum, an interactive exhibit in partnership with the Hampton History Museum that celebrates history through the eyes of our children. This year, we're celebrating African American First, highlighting the valuable contributions of the African American community to the American landscape. This afternoon, I have several of our honored Black Wax figure guests with us. I'll give them an opportunity to introduce themselves.
Hello, I am Henry O'Flipper. I was an engineer and the first African American to be commissioned into the U.S. Army.
Hello, I am SEPTIMA Clark, and I was a pioneer in citizen education.
Hello, I'm Katherine Johnson, and I was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom, as well as the Human Computer and Mathematician in a 35-year career at NASA.
Hello, I am Howard P. Grant, and I was the first African American to graduate from the Berkeley College of Engineering in California, and I became the first Black member of the American Society of Civil Engineers.
So as you can see, we have several honored figures that will be joining us to celebrate the valuable contributions of the African American community. Please join us on Saturday, March 27th at 6 p.m. to see this interactive exhibit and meet several other Black Wax figures. You can find our program airing on the social media pages of both the Hampton History Museum and the Hampton chapter of Jack and Jill of America. We look forward to seeing you on the 27th as we celebrate African American First.